guys, today I'm going to just do a basics first video that has nothing to do with Minecraft in it. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic HTML website. So first I'm just going to say open up Notepad or Notepad++. I'm going to use this Notepad++. Once I have it, I'll put the link in the description. And I'll just close all of this. Okay, so go new first, save it, file, save as, then save my documents, okay, new folder, HTML video, and just put this in here, let's call it index.html, save. So now, first, I'm going to use the new HTML5, so go exclamation mark, all caps, doc type, lowercase html. Then you do HTML. Yeah. So now, first, let's make a header. So you do head, it's just, and then you do title, they're all in these things, and you can choose, I'll just make it my first HTML website. Get rid of it, and then do slash head, and now open up the body tags. So to make the biggest heading, you can do H1, but it goes H1 down to H6. So let's call it welcome to my first HTML website. Close that. Let's make a paragraph. I'm gonna have a series and just adding stuff onto this. This is my first HTML website. Body. We can just edit into the HTML. Let's just test it, see what we've done so far. Our videos. I'm going to open that with Safari. So this is what it shows, and that's my first HTML website. Yep. So let's add it. Let's add a link. Yeah. Okay, so let's get the image. There, it's had to go new. So let's make it. An old website I made. Just out of HTML. I'm just gonna get a picture. Oh no, not WordPress. Webs. This one you could do the full HTML. So good source. Resource. We need the width and height. No, just let's make it 99. Save. Now let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah. See the source. And then we just wrote it. Yep, looks about right. Now, second part, I think we should add it to XAMPP. In case you don't know, is I'll put the link in the download link in the description. So, if you download XAMPP, I'll just open up the XAMPP folder. Let's Control C. XAMPP H. We'll make it okay. Start. I will pause it. Okay, so we got Apache here. Anyway, actually I don't think we should use XAMPP, it's just taking too long. So, let's do a link to the United website, just make it that way. I haven't done HTML so long, I've been focusing on Java. Script. I'll pause and find it out. Sorry. Okay. I'm going to put the link. I'm using W Free Schools at the moment just to get the thing. Just to tell you, and you know, Manchester United. United. Let's find the manutt.com. Close that there with HTTP. So oopsies. I think I messed up. Okay, I didn't mess up, but no. Manchester United website. Save. Oops, I did the wrong one. Manchester United website, and good. So that's about this for this first HTML extravaganza. I'll see you later. Please like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.